All right, I'm back with the kid, and this time it's a collab. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived in my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark, and most of you guys know that if I have my daughter in a video, we are unboxing a Thredup Fun Box. This time we are doing a collab with Jen from Thrift Jeneration here on YouTube. I will leave a link down below in the description with a link to her video. Go check it out after you watch this one and see who got the best box. It's kind of just, you know, like a fun little battle with the fun box. They're $40 shipped to my house. I finally just got to a VIT, very important thrifter status on Thredup, so I no longer pay shipping on orders $29 and up, which means next time I order one of these, I'll just have to pay the $32 plus tax. So that's awesome. But yeah, 10 items, about $4 a piece. This one came from Georgia, and let's open her up. You first or me first? You gotta open it first.
Well, yeah. Sorry.
Here's my invoice. They got new stickers. This one is the second black one I've seen, but it says something different. It says, hey, nice pics, and the stickers are recyclable. It's fine if you ripped it, it's just gonna get recycled anyway.
I didn't want to ruin the winky face sticker. Okay.
Okay, let's lift it. Here's what she looks like inside. All right.
You first.
Me? Okay, I'm gonna take these socks. It says, how cute are these? Knee socks, one size from Loft. They're just black socks. So I don't know what's cute about them, but yeah, they're fine. One size fits most. Oh, you went for the bubbles. Is it jewelries?
Yeah. Bracelets. Woohoo. Oh. I thought there was only two.
Are they all together?
No, they're like just tied in the back.
All the hands. Who are they from?
Bancroft, made in China.
Cute little bangle set though, silver tone. Is one of them stretchy? Yeah, that one's stretchy.
Kind of.
All right, I'll take this because I know you're not gonna do it, and there's another one in here too. All right, this is a strapless mid-thigh bodysuit. Suit your fancy from the best shapewear, Spanx. Size extra large, so a great size. This should do pretty well. Sorry, don't mean to try to hit you with this shapewear. So yeah, mid-thigh bodysuit from Spanx. I knew it.
Glasses!
Those are like really packaged. Oh, they're not the color I was expecting at all.
What do you think they were?
I don't know, not sparkly.
Oh, they are sparkly.
Blue glasses. Do they got a prescription or just plain glasses? Can you see normally?
They're blue light.
Oh,
yeah.
So like cute little computer glasses. Okay. Where are they from?
I'm not going even.
I can't even see
going
that.
to try pronouncing that.
Privé Leveau. I think it's on the little package. Yeah. Privé Revo. Show it to them, see if so they can see it, because I'll butcher it. And I'll put it on the screen for you guys as well, so you can see it. We're riding the struggle bus as usual. Okay, I'm not mad about this. Everlane, new with tags. I got an Everlane water bottle carrier in one of my recent Thredup Fun Boxes, and it sold within a day.
And you also
on
couldn't
Poshmark.
figure out what it was.
I thought it was a fanny pack. This is, it just says HGH pink bra, so I don't know the style, and it's a size, where are you, size? Another extra large, like the Spanx, so that's awesome. And it's a little like bralette, little blush pinky color. Jammies?
Pants.
Jammy pants.
They had pockets.
Yes. So are they like orange? Yeah.
Yeah. They're loved by Gap. Another extra large.
Awesome. We like extra large. Does it have a retail price on there? Nope. All right, that's fine. I guess I'll open this little box. It's got hearts on the side. Fashioncraft.com. I have no idea what this even is, but it's pretty. It's this little rose thing. It's got like a clear stone as the flower, but I don't know if it's maybe like a pendant. You put something through this little part down here. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know. But it comes in this little satin gift box. So yeah, that's interesting for sure.
Ooh, that's interesting.
How about if we win, they have to get rid of the rooster? Ooh, that's interesting.
Ooh,
Brushes.
cool. You can probably keep those for yourself if you want. Where are they from?
Goddess by some name that I don't want to pronounce because I'm gonna mess it up somehow.
Manakadar. I don't know, they look okay. So it looks like the kids got some new brushes.
Cool.
Okay. Jane and Bleecker. I forget where that's sold. I want to say it's Target, but I don't know. Two ladies pair slipper socks. They're like chenille fabric with the little grippies on the bottom. Sizes 4 through 10. So yeah, these look really cozy, especially for winter, which obviously we're not in right now, but that's fine.
Tights.
Yes. I've sold almost all the tights that we've ever gotten.
Legale plush tights.
From Marshall's.
Yeah, for $5.99.
What was the comparative price?
$12.
$12? That's not bad.
95% polyester, 5% spandex.
Okay. I'm happy with tights. Like I said, I've sold almost all of them. I sold those Black Cat ones today. Okay, so it looks like this. Oh, it's a tech organizer roll from Glass Ladder & Co. It doesn't have an MSR. Oh, it does. $35. This color is honey. It's called the Catherine Tech Organizer Roll. So let me show you. It's got all these little compartments and pocket for all of your electronic stuff. So like your cords and junk. So that's cool. And then it folds up and then you can wrap it around and tie. So that's cool. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6,
That's, yeah.
7,
8. I almost said 7 again.
9,
10.
and 11 for this Everlane bra. Okay, so what was your favorite item from this box?
The pants.
Apologies if you can hear our cat meowing. We have an outdoor cat and she's hearing us film. Okay, your favorite's the pants.
Pants.
My favorite is probably the Spanx, because I have decent luck with selling shapewear and Spanx. So yeah, not a bad box. Definitely a lot of good sizes, extra large ×3, and some really cozy socks. So yeah, let me know what you guys thought down below in the comments. Let us know what your favorite item was, and if you like this video at any point, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from us. And if you're not already subscribed,
Do it.
no, nicely, yes. Please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here in our weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.